Have you ever wondered what the top 7 best trucking companies are for new drivers? You're in the right spot. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the top 7 best trucking companies for new drivers. Check it out. Up first, Old Dominion. Old Dominion, yes, they pull triples, but check it out. The pay, it's about $84,000 a year. I don't see any sign-on bonus, but there might be. You might want to double check and call these guys up, see if they have a sign-on bonus. Benefit package, you can expect something like health, dental, vision benefits, short-term and long-term disability, and FSA accounts. They have a 401 retirement plan, a wellness program, and they're usually local. Can't beat that. The headquarters, Thomasville, North Carolina. Number 2. It's a hidden gem. Nobody likes to talk about this, but Ace Hardware. That's right. As your first year as a rookie coming in to Ace Hardware, you can expect to get paid about $71,000 a year. Not bad coming out from CDL school. These guys are regional. The sign-on bonus for these guys, they're advertising $10K just to get signed on. I don't know about you guys, but $10K, I can do a lot with that. Another great thing about these guys, they pay weekly. They have a driver incentive program to help boost your income. These guys, you get paid vacation pay, holiday pay, PTO. The benefits they're offering, looks like they have health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, life insurance, 401 retirement savings plan with company contributions, and a driver recognition program. Not bad. Looks like they also offer merchandise discounts. If you're new, coming out of CDL school, check these guys out. I think you're gonna be in the right hands. Headquarters in Oak Brook, Illinois. Number 3, Oak Harbor. Nobody really thinks about Oak Harbor. These guys are usually local, running terminal to terminal, bouncing around. Yearly pay, up to $61,000. Sign-on bonus, I've personally seen about $3,000 to $5,000 on the sign-on. You might wanna double check with the recruiter, or just Google their information and call and see what they have to offer. According to this here, they offer medical, dental, vision insurance with low cost to employee and family. They have a 401k match up to 5% of your contributions. Overtime after 8 hours. You can accrue 80 hours of PTO in the first 11 months. Holiday pay after 90 days. Home nightly. That's a big one if you got a family like myself or many of you guys. They help out with the cell phone cost, and their headquarters right here in Washington. Up next, we got LTI, AKA Lynden. Looking at the average pay here, $23.49 an hour. Not too bad. No sign-on bonus though, but in return, they definitely offer dental insurance, health insurance, opportunities for advancements, 401k with matching, paid time off, vision insurance. These guys are usually local, they haul milk, they pull doubles, and they're headquartered in Anchorage, Alaska. Check these guys out. I know they'll hire you straight out of CDL school. Up next, despite what anybody says, Prime. The pay, looking here, averages about $58,000. No sign-on bonus. However, they do have some great benefits as well. Health insurance, dental insurance, and vision insurance. 401k plan with company match. Paid vacation. Looks like you can earn fuel mileage bonus. You can get tuition reimbursements up to $1,500 for CDL graduates. So yes, these guys will take you straight from CDL school. That's why they're on this list of the top 7 best trucking companies for new drivers. And if you're looking to make some extra cash, they do have a driver referral program. So you can refer your friends and they get their CDL license through Prime. You're gonna earn some cash and they might too. I'm not sure how that works out. You might wanna contact the recruiters. I'm not the recruiter. And of course, you're gonna have the ability to move up and become a CDL instructor yourself and get paid a little bit more. These guys do travel all over. I'm not sure if they have like just local, maybe. Their headquarters, Springfield, Missouri. Up next, despite what anybody says, Swift. Swift is definitely a great starter company because, well, they're gonna take you straight from CDL school, set you up with a trainer, and eventually you're gonna get a brand new truck. Who wouldn't want that? Sweet gig, slow and steady wins the race, especially in the wintertime. Looking at this, the pay, people are averaging about $14.48 a week, but if you look on their website, they're claiming you can actually make more than that. No sign-on bonus I didn't see, but you might want to check with the recruiter. Benefits, I'm not quite sure about the benefits, but the good thing is they have their own CDL school, so it just makes it easier to get in with these guys. And like I said, for more information, just reach out to a Swift recruiter. These guys, they travel all over the United States. It's pretty cool if you're looking to travel from coast to coast and get out and experience life a little bit more. Great company. Headquarters is in Phoenix, Arizona. Big orange box. That's what these guys are known for. Schneider. You can earn up to $12.64 a week with these guys that they're claiming. I've seen that they do have some sign-on bonuses in some locations, not all. Benefits, it's looking like they do offer dental, medical, vision insurance, 401 savings plan, and company match, and more. These guys are definitely going to run coast to coast. So if you're looking to get out, check these guys out. These guys are headquartered in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I'm gonna throw this one in there as well. Alexandria Molding. These guys do pay pretty good. Headquartered in Moxie, Washington.